Okay, so here's a series of videos explaining to you how to put Annotate Pro on your computer, both your computer at work and your computer at home, in case you want to use that to do quick marks type marking. So inside of Chrome you would just go to the Chrome store and download, but inside of Edge, which is what I use, I need to first of all go to extensions, and I need to manage extensions, and here on the left hand side I need to say allow extensions from other stores, and I'm going to allow them. So now I should be able to go to the Google Chrome store and download Annotate Pro. So I'll do a Google search for this, and Google Annotate Pro, there it is. It's also here, 11 Trees Annotate Pro, same thing, and install the Annotate Pro Chrome extension. That's what I want. Okay, so the Chrome, click there, Microsoft Edge, click here. I'm going to click on the Microsoft Edge one. It tells me that I need to enable the Chrome extension in Edge, which I've done, and I can just choose this install from the Chrome store. Annotate Pro, I don't want to switch to Chrome. I want to click here where it says Annotate Pro or work on Microsoft Edge. Click Get Extension. I want to add the extension. And you can see that it's downloading here. There it is. Here it is. It's appeared. Okay. Then when I click off, it disappears. Now that's because I need to go here and remove the cross around my eye. So I have installed Annotate Pro. I'll take you through a couple of other things related to it in the next video.